Guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create PlayStation account on your mobile. All you need to do is go to your Chrome. Once you go to your Chrome, you're going to search here. You're going to search www.playstation.com. You can see PlayStation create account. Click on it. Now you're going to see how to create your account. You can see create account of PlayStation Network. Click on PlayStation. Now the need to do is you're going to sign in. Click on sign in. Now also click on sign in. What we next need to do is you can see create if you are new to it, click on create an account. Click on create an account. Now this is it. Click on create. Now you need to choose your country or your region. So I'm going to find my country. Okay, this is it. Yeah. So I'm going to click on it. My next thing is I need to what? Click on. Sorry guys. So I'm going to click on it. So I'm going to find the country that they are using. Okay. Now click on next. You need to put all these. Just put something there. I'm going to put something once you are done. Sorry for that. Click on next. And next thing is you need to verify your age. So now you need to select a method for you to verify your. So I'm going to use my mobile. You can use your official. You can use. So you're going to. So I'm here. I'm going to use my. So you can just choose anyone here. Once you choose anyone, you're going to scan it. So I'm going to use your driving license, your passport, your ID card, your mobile number. So I'm going to use anyone. You also choose on anyone. Follow the next step or follow all the next step that remains. Then automatically you'll be able to create your PlayStation account. It's very easy. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.